daily practice problems and live chat, visit academy.amazon.in or download the app.
After the very first mock test I took, I realized I was wasting time attempting too many difficult questions compared to mock test toppers.
When I first gave my mock test, my performance, it was not good and I was not happy about it. But I guess somewhere I was glad to know where I stood at the national level and where I was in the JEE race. My second All India mock test report showed such a great improvement from my previous rank and scores. Oh, and the tips and shortcuts the app is providing us with, it helped me to solve problems much easily than before and helped me to manage my time well.
The online course has made my preparation much more disciplined. And the live lessons timetable, daily practice problems, regular trainings, there's a trigger, you know.
I know, right? With the Amazon Academy's help, our preparation seems a lot stronger.
Now, I clearly understand my strengths, my weaknesses, the areas I need to improve upon, which has made my prep even more efficient. And they offer a ton of high quality questions. And the solutions, they're so detailed. Just love solving them. Now it feels like I'm on track.
So I guess I finally found that edge.